And I will say that just because you're a licensed healthcare professional doesn't mean that your license won't be restricted or revoked if you act outside of compliance. This story comes from the great state of Vermont, where a dentist utilized her license to write opioid drugs for herself. This dentist, as many dentists and physicians and some nurse practitioners and PAs, have the ability to write narcotics, which provides providers the ability to have a lot of authority for their patients and to provide care. But at the end of the day, it requires a lot of responsibility. This provider kind of overstepped her authority and responsibilities, and the DEA revoked her privileges. Now, what does that mean for her as a provider? First, she's a dentist. She's offering dental care in the mouth, which requires some type of opioid or narcotics to slow down the pain in the patient's mouth or slow down the pain as the patient goes home and receives care. So it's definitely going to restrict the type of care she can provide. I would imagine this provider also will have to deal with her licensing board. Listen up. You've got legal issues related to your healthcare business, and we have solutions for you. Let's talk about what you're going through. Grab a time in our calendar at dorismeet.com and let's come up with a strategy together to help you get to success. You never want to be writing prescriptions for yourself ever. Your licensing board will take heed to that. And if they find out that you're writing prescriptions for yourself or you're abusing the power that they've given to you, they will administer a fine or restrict your license. So here she got her DEA license restricted. She didn't get her actual license restricted. We don't know if her actual license will have a restriction or a fine. We'll find out later as we continue to follow this matter. But please note that if you're writing for yourself, you're writing for your family. That's something a lot of people get in trouble for. You're writing for your family. You don't have charts. You don't have any way to prove what you wrote, or you're making up information just for them to get a narcotic. You are now being seen as a drug dealer to the board. In this case, that's what she was. She was writing narcotics for herself so she can ingest and take these drugs. Be careful what you do. Your license is a license. Licenses can be revoked. You don't have the authority to push drugs when you're not supposed to. If you have any questions about this or you have any questions about what your license allows you to do, please reach out to us at dorismeet.com. We'd love to chat with you, figure out what you're allowed to do, figure out how we can defend you if there's a matter that arises, because at the end of the day, your license is a money-making opportunity for you, but you do not have the right to go above what your license allows you to do. Reach out to us at dorismeet.com. Let's connect. Thanks so much.